Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix any connection issues of your Huawei FreeLace Pro. So, as you can see, I'm currently connected. Everything is fine with my earphones, but if you have any connection issues, like sometimes they just automatically disconnect from your phone, for example you try to pair them and you cannot pair them because you have the notification that they cannot communicate with your phone. All you have to do is first of all just power on your earphones. When you click on this button, you will find that indicator is activated, so it means that they are connected. You have to click and hold this button until this indicator blinks 3 times red. So take a look. Right now it is blinking white, and right now it's blinking red for the 3 times, and it will also turns to blinking white. So right now you can just pick them from the available devices list, accept the pairing, and as you can see, you are connected back, or you are connected for the first time if you had any connection issues. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.